SharePoint document library is kind of a mess right now. Lots of folders and duplicates. It's hard to find the latest version of anything. Is there a better way to organize these files so they're easier to find?
You are not alone. Organizing files inside of your SharePoint site is one of the #1 problems that users have. Let's take a look at more efficient ways that we can organize those files inside your document library. We're going to start inside our Digital Transformation Project team site and inside of our document library. I'm going to upload a folder that has some files already inside of it. To do that, I'm going to click on Create or Upload and then choose the option that says Folder Upload. I'm going to choose our Digital Resource Contact Information folder and then click on Upload. It asks if we're sure that we want to upload the files to our site, and I'm going to click on Upload. I'm going to click on our new folder and take a look. We've uploaded 3 files that live inside that folder.
This is exactly how we organize things. We just keep adding more folders.
And it works for a while, but then as you add more folders, it could actually take longer to find what you're looking for.
Right. I find myself clicking through multiple layers just trying to find one file.
So let's say that we could take each one of these files and associate it with an appropriate team. And then we can search for the team and all the resources that go with that team. Let me show you how to do that.
That'd be great.
Each one of these files is associated with a different team. A DBA team, developers, and digital team. So I'm going to add a new column in my view so we can assign the appropriate team. I do that by clicking on Add Column, and I'm going to choose the type choice so we can select the appropriate team with each file, and then choose Next. I'm going to name this column Team. If I wanted to add a description, I could certainly do so. For my choices, my first choice is going to be DBA. My second choice is going to be Developers, and then my third choice is going to be Digital Team. And now I'm going to click on Save. To assign the team value to each file, you can do this a couple of different ways. One, you can click the More Actions button next to the file. I'm going to scroll down and find the More option, and let's go into Properties. And this is where we can assign the team. I'm going to assign this directory to our DBA team. And now I'm going to close my properties.
Oh, and now I see it pops up right in that column beside the file.
So what we've done is we've added metadata, which is data about data.
I've heard about metadata, but I never knew what it was. Instead of organizing by where a file lives, we can categorize it by what it's associated with.
That's right.